How's it going, guys? Alejandro back again, going over something new to our used truck department. Today we're talking about used bodies. We actually have come across quite a few used bodies recently, and we want to start advertising them to our customers. So if you have an older truck that's got a body that's pretty beat up and you just want to swap it out for another body that's in really good condition, we do have quite a few pre-owned bodies available at a discounted price. We could probably save you at least $5,000 to $10,000 off the price of a brand new one. I'm going to give you an example today. This is a 14-foot box built by Morgan. This box here, dimension-wise, it is 14 feet long, it's 96 wide, and 85 inches interior height. As you come around and you take a look at it, you're going to see this one does have a liftgate on it. It's an extra feature. A lot of these are just going to have step bumpers on them, but if you need a liftgate, they can be installed. This one specifically already has it on there. So again, even more money we can save you if you're in the market for something like that. We have different sizes, 14s, 16s. We have some flatbeds available. So if you guys are looking for something used, you don't want to have to buy necessarily a new truck or even a used truck, you're just looking for a body, this is a way you can save a lot of money and reinvest in your current inventory. So if you guys are interested, you definitely want to reach out to us sooner rather than later. Bodies like this are gonna go fast. You can reach us a few different ways. You can reach us online at mjtrucknation.com. You're more than welcome to stop by. The address here is 3775 Interstate Park Road. We're located in Riviera Beach, Florida. Or you can always give us a call here at 561-840-9800. Again, that's 561-840-9800. We look forward to working with you guys. Have a great day.